That glossy black plastic, or piano black, in modern cars drives me absolutely crazy. Especially around the gear selector. It's a fingerprint magnet, and scratches if you just look at it wrong. If you own a 2023 Kia NIRO, you know exactly what I mean. This is where the GZBFTDH gear shift knob trim panel steps in. This tiny piece of ABS plastic, finished in a sharp carbon fiber look, promises to completely transform that central console area and solve that major pain point. The manufacturer claims this trim fits the NIRO 2023 perfectly, designed precisely according to the original car specs, and holding it up, the precision is impressive. It's made of durable ABS material, which is lightweight, and the carbon finish is surprisingly convincing. It immediately elevates the interior, moving it from standard commuter car to something much sportier and more luxurious. It's a high-impact aesthetic change for minimal effort. Installation is dead simple, but there's a pro tip you absolutely must follow to ensure quality assurance. Cleaning the area with rubbing alcohol is essential, and heating the double-sided adhesive tape is non-negotiable. A quick blast with a hairdryer or heat gun ensures that tape bonds permanently, especially since this is a high-touch area. You just peel the film, align it carefully over the existing panel, and press firmly. The edges are smooth, so you don't have to worry about sharp plastic edges hurting your hands. Beyond the looks, the real function here is protection. It covers up any existing scuffs you might already have, and more importantly, it prevents future wear and tear on that vulnerable factory plastic. For a quick, high-impact aesthetic upgrade that also serves a practical purpose, this is a fantastic modification. It delivers a high-class look without breaking the bank. If you hate piano black plastic as much as I do, this GZBFTDH trim is a highly practical, easy-to-install accessory that truly completes the NIRO interior.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.